Manufacturing business is changing. The sheer need of new business model adoption is what is changing in manufacturing. One of the key reasons why most manufacturers are looking to transform their business is that unlike a few years ago where demand was very consistent, demand uncertainty is only increasing. That's putting pressure on manufacturers to become more agile, where they as a company can still address this demand uncertainty, but at the same time be resourceful enough to be profitable. And the key problems that we are solving is time to value and total cost of ownership. Customers are asking us to not only sell them a solution, but sell them more of a prescriptive solution. So we are able to take platforms from our expert partners like Siemens. We are looking at ourselves as a self-service build company. We're also building our own intellectual property and our own products, either on top of these platforms or complementary to these platforms. We realize that many of our customers are using the AWS platforms and they have opportunities there for total cost optimization. We as a Siemens partner are able to now sell the solutions to our customers on the marketplace. The advantage to the customer is that they are able to buy the AWS solutions. They are also able to buy these solutions from the same marketplace. The advantage from a total cost optimization that the customer gets is that sometimes they have commitments which have not been utilized to the extent that they thought they would. So the APN opportunity available to us as a Siemens expert partner is amazing because customers have always been wanting a solution which ultimately leads to total cost optimization. The customer is able to look at the Siemens OEM solution that is available on the marketplace, where they're still working with an expert partner like us, and they are able to reduce their total cost of ownership because now they have availability to buy the solution on the market, but also save dollars by doing some optimization that is available to them through the marketplace against the commitments that they have made. The other advantage for the customer is that they have now a partner who not only understands manufacturing in us, but also understands the product, which is from Siemens, but now also understands the infrastructure, giving us the opportunity to offer managed services to the customer, again leading to optimization of total cost of ownership. We want to offer solutions to our customers where we don't want the experience to be complex. When the customer is having a problem, they want to talk to an expert who is going to solve the problem. And I think this is a very good opportunity for us, that by combining our expertise in Siemens software, our expertise in adopting the hyperscaler approach from the APN platform, leveraging all the expertise from AWS, and combining that with our own expertise in manufacturing operations, whether it is the software, whether it is the services, whether it is support, whether it's the infrastructure, or whether it's just all of this in the form of bundles. Customers at the end of the day want the problem to be solved. But if you're trying to change your business model from a more traditional reseller or a professional services business model to more of a anything as a service model or more of a subscription model, I think it's a great opportunity to look at the partnership between AWS and Siemens.